select multiple curves, and you can, but you can only, actually you can't edit them. You can only edit one of them at a time. Then the next, copy selected keys. So let's go back to the Z because it's more interesting. So we select these 3 keys, and let's go to frame 30. So here we can have copy. So if you click on the arrow, then you can have copy selected keys or copy curve, and right now it's the copy selected keys is on. So let's select let's copy these keys. So you just hit this, and then here right next to it, it has the paste, and we have a couple options. We can paste combined, and then it basically puts it exactly on the same spot, so nothing really happened. Luckily we have the undo action, so we're gonna just undo this, and then we can paste combined after timeline. Let's do it after current frame. So the current frame is 30, so the keys will be pasted on from 30. So let's see, and now you see that it's looping because whatever was here on 0 got pasted on 30, so we have like an interesting loop. Okay, so you can play with these, and then you understand it better how the pasting works. You can paste and replace. So paste and replace, and it replaced the whole curve with these 3 keyframes. We can undo this a couple times. Goes back, and then also, of course, we can copy the whole curve and then put it on here. So actually, paste and replace. So paste it on Y. So from 0, I just pasted on Y. Okay. What else? We have fit view, so we can fit the curve to the view. We can fit to the horizontal view, so we can fit horizontal view, we can fit vertical view, or just have fit view. We can select a couple keyframes, and then we can have fit view to selection, so you can zoom in pretty accurate. And then you can have fit to center view to timeline. So the timeline is at frame 30, so it jumps and it centers the viewport to the timeline. Okay, then we have snaps. The snaps are really helpful. So I wanna move these curves, these keyframes to the left, to the right, and I want to snap them horizontally. So I'm gonna move these, and you see that they start snapping to the actually, oh yeah, one thing, I forgot to turn it on. So basically we select horizontal snap, but we have to turn it on, and then if this is on, then this will snap and it stays there. If we move it vertically, it's not going to snap, but horizontally it will snap. Okay, and so we can have them both horizontal and vertical. Okay, now it's only horizontal. Okay, and then a couple, you have to uncheck if you don't want to snap it anymore. And then a couple ways to deal with the curve. So we can have them as TCB, and then we can adjust them with the tension, continuity, and bias, or we can have them as Bezier, or linear, or steps. Let me zoom closer. So this is steps. Oops. And let's go back to Bezier, because with Bezier we can break the tangents and then move the tangents individually. Oops. So you just click it and move it on, move it up and down, You can unify tangents and then move them together, and you can flatten the tangents, so you see that the tangents don't conform. Right. Right now, the timeline is showing frames, but we can show them as seconds. So if you click this, then it toggles between frames display or seconds display. Then we have the key values. So if you have this on, then it shows the exact values, and then as you move it, it changes the values, and it shows that the vertical value is changing. So let's put in 2. And this is a bit sensitive, so let's put 2, and then you see that it's exactly 2.